There was something he did for me.
My name is Dr. Law Mefor. I'm a fellow of Abuja Social and Political Thought, and I'm also a director in Igbo Leadership Development Foundation. I'm here to show solidarity with the family. The late Dokpesi, I don't even know how to describe the relationship. But I think it's important I place on record that it was beyond a friend. He was a mentor, a senior friend, and has been there for me and for many of us in the civil society organization, in the media, and in everything. There are a few things he did for me of late, for my family. You know, I have a cousin that has been sick, and I called on him to intervene and bring attention of the world to the sickness, the ailment of my cousin, which he did. And by the time he was doing this, I didn't even know he was himself, you know, in a sick bed. He hinted that he wasn't feeling too well, and he still managed to intervene. And again, I also recall that when we launched the campaign for Nigeria President of Igbo extraction, he was more or less a patron of that until the party decided otherwise. And I can go on and on and on. And I want to really say that a life is not how long, it's how well. I don't know any one who is conscious politically in Nigeria that has not been touched one way or another by Chief Raymond Dokpesi. Anyhow you look at it, he was a pillar. It's difficult to use the word was, but we must, because he has actually passed. But to be honest, I think I am not too, should I say, weighed down by his passing. Like I told you, it's not how long, it's how well he was able to live his life to the fullest. Only maybe 71, but don't forget what Psalm 19:10 says, that a man's life on earth, 70, that is 70. And 80 if you're still strong, and then you fly away. So I think even that biblical hallmark was met by him. He lived well, and he was really strong to the very last. Look at the last democratic dispensation. He was there as a pillar for the PDP, and they're still fighting for the party to recover his mandate before he passed. If I have any regret, is that he will not be around to see the final resolution of that battle which he led by himself. But be that as it may, I think those who are left behind should try and finish that job well. One thing I believe we owe him is to really resolve the 2023 presidential election fully, so that, wherever he is, he would be satisfied that that battle which he waged was fully resolved. However it is resolved, let it be properly resolved.